If someone asked you right now to talk about your day in English, could you do it without stopping or getting stuck? I know so many of you feel frustrated because you know basic words, but when you try to speak smoothly, your mind just goes blank. You freeze up. But after this video, you will talk about your daily life with complete confidence. Stick around because there is one super common mistake native speakers notice immediately, and today I am going to teach you how to fix it forever.
Welcome to English Studio. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. Today, we are going to master slow, clear English listening and speaking for beginners.
This is going to be so useful. Let's get right into it. But wait, before we start, if you are learning English and you want fun videos like this every single week, hit subscribe right now.
Yes, ring that bell so you never miss a lesson with us. It really helps our channel grow. Okay, let's go.
Scenario 1. Picture this. You wake up in the morning. You see your friend or roommate in the kitchen. Sarah, what is the most natural thing to say right after you open your eyes?
Oh, that is easy. You look at them and ask, "Did you sleep well?"
Did you sleep well? That is so simple. But wait, Sarah, do people really say every single word clearly? Like, did you sleep well?
That is a great question, Alex. Native speakers almost never say "did you" clearly. It usually sounds like "did ya," like one single word. Did you sleep well?
Wow, did ya? That is unbelievable. That is why listening can be so tricky for beginners.
Exactly. But don't worry, you can say "did you sleep well" slowly, and everyone will understand you perfectly.
Love it. Let's practice together. Say it with us.
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
Great. Now you say it.
Awesome job. Now for our aha moment. Sarah, what is a common mistake people make here?
Oh, many learners say, "Have you slept good?" That is incorrect. In English, we use the word well to describe how we do an action. Sleep is an action, so we say sleep well, not sleep good.
Sleep well. Never sleep good. That is such a cool tip. My mind is blown already.
Keep that in mind. Now let's move to scenario 2.
Scenario 2. You're at work or at school. It's 12:30 in the afternoon. Your stomach starts making noise. Bzz. You are hungry. Sarah, how do I invite a coworker or classmate to eat with me?
You can turn to them with a warm smile and say, "Do you want to grab some lunch?"
Do you want to grab some lunch? Wait, hold on. Grab? Like grabbing something with my hand? Are you serious?
No, Alex, that's the secret. In English, the word grab often just means to get or eat something quickly. It's super friendly and very common.
Ooh, so grab lunch just means eat lunch together. I love that word. Let's break down that second word, want. Say it with me. Want. Just one quick syllable. Want.
Exactly. Let's do our repetition loop right now. Say it with us. Do you want to grab some lunch?
Do you want to grab some lunch?
Excellent. Now your turn to speak.
Yes, you nailed it. Now, Sarah, what is the aha moment for this scenario?
The aha moment is about cultural habits. In many English-speaking cultures, asking someone to grab lunch doesn't mean a long, formal meal. It usually means a quick 20-minute break. So don't worry, it's totally casual and zero stress.
That takes the pressure off. Quick and simple. I love it.
Me too. Ready for the next one, Alex?
You bet. Scenario 4. This one happens to me all the time. You're at a coffee shop or a grocery store. The cashier speaks super fast, like a machine gun, blah, 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 blah. You didn't understand a single word. Sarah, what do you say? Help.
Don't panic, Alex. That happens to everyone. Just smile and say, "Could you please say that again a bit slower?"
Could you please say that again a bit slower? That is a lifesaver. But wait, is could you more polite than can you?
Yes, that is a wonderful observation. Could you sounds much softer and more polite to native speakers than can you. It's always better to use could you when asking for a favor from strangers.
Could you for extra politeness. I'm definitely using that. Let's break down the word slower. 2 syllables. Slow-er. Slower.
Perfect. Let's practice the whole sentence together now. Say it with us. Could you please say that again a bit slower?
Could you please say that again a bit slower?
Wonderful. Now, try it yourself out loud.
Amazing! You sound so natural. Sarah, give us the aha moment for this one.
Here is the tip. Beginners often feel embarrassed to ask people to speak slower. They just nod their head and pretend to understand. But native speakers never mind slowing down. In fact, they appreciate it because it helps them communicate with you better. So never be afraid to ask.
Yes, never feel shy. We are all learning. That is such good advice, Sarah.
Exactly. We are all in this together.
Scenario 5. You're relaxing at home in the evening. Your friend looks tired or busy, and you want to offer help with dinner or cleaning. Sarah, what is a super warm phrase to offer help?
A great phrase is, "Do you need a hand with that?"
Do you need a hand with that? Wait, a hand? Like cutting off my hand and giving it to them? That sounds crazy.
Oh, Alex, no, of course not. Give a hand or need a hand simply means to help someone. It is a very warm and friendly expression.
Phew, I'm glad I get to keep my hands. Need a hand means need help. That is so cool. Let's repeat it together. Say it with us.
Do you need a hand with that?
Do you need a hand with that?
Awesome. Now, your turn to practice.
That was great. You are crushing this lesson today. Sarah, what is the aha moment for scenario 5?
The aha moment here is about prepositions. Notice we say help with something or need a hand with that. Many students accidentally say need a hand for that. Remember, always use the word with.
With that. Got it. Need a hand with that. Precision matters.
Exactly. Little details make a huge difference.
Scenario 6. It's late at night. You had a long, busy day. You're yawning. Yawn. You want to tell your family or housemates that you are going to bed. Sarah, what does native speakers say besides just, I'm going to sleep?
Ooh, I love this one. Native speakers often say, I think I'm going to call it a night.
I think I'm going to call it a night. Wow, that sounds so natural and stylish. Call it a night.
Yes, it simply means I'm finishing my activities for the evening and going to sleep. It sounds very comfortable and smooth.
Let's look at the word again. Wait, no, the word is going. In fast speech, going to often sounds like gonna, but today we practice slow and clear, going to. Let's do the loop. Say it with us.
I think I'm going to call it a night.
I think I'm going to call it a night.
Superb. Now, your turn to practice.
Outstanding. You sound like a native speaker already. Sarah, what is our aha moment here?
The aha moment is that call it a night can also be used at work or at a party. If you're working late with colleagues, you can say, let's call it a night. It means, let me stop working and go home.
Wow, so it works for sleeping and for finishing work at night. That is 2 tips in 1.
It sure is. Very versatile.
Scenario 7, our final scenario. You're making plans for the weekend with a friend. You want to ask what time you should meet. Sarah, what is the best phrase?
You can ask, what time works best for you?
What time works best for you? That is so polite. It gives the other person the power to choose.
Exactly. It shows you respect their schedule. It's much better than just saying, "When do we meet?"
I love that. Let's break down the word works. Just one strong syllable. Works. Say it with me. Works.
Perfect. Now, let's practice the whole question together. Say it with us. What time works best for you?
What time works best for you?
Brilliant. Now, say it out loud.
Yes, that was perfect. Sarah, hit us with the final aha moment.
The aha moment here is the word works. In English, the verb work doesn't just mean doing your job. It also means to be convenient or suitable. So, if someone asks, "Does 5 p.m. work for you?" you can answer, "Yes, that works."
Mind blown. That works. That is such a useful phrase for daily life.
It really is. I use it every single day.
Okay, everybody, you did amazing during the main lesson, but now it is time to test your brain. It's time for the practice round.
Ooh, I love the practice round. Keep your energy high, everyone.
Here are the rules. I'm going to ask a question or describe a situation, and I want you to speak the answer out loud at home before Sarah speaks. You'll have 3 seconds. Are you ready? Let's go! Question 1. You just woke up. You see your brother in the kitchen. How do you ask if he slept well? 3, 2, 1.
Did you sleep well?
Yes. Did you sleep well? Brilliant. Question 2. You want to invite your coworker to eat a quick meal at noon. How do you use the phrase with the word grab? 3, 2, 1.
Do you want to grab some lunch?
Boom! Grab some lunch. You got it. Question 3. You're lost in a new city. How do you ask for the closest train station politely? 3, 2, 1.
Excuse me, where is the nearest station?
That is exactly right. Don't forget the word the. Question 4. Someone is speaking English way too fast for you. How do you ask them politely? 3, 2, 1.
Could you please say that again a bit slower?
Fantastic. You are doing incredible. Question 5. You see your friend carrying heavy shopping bags. How do you offer help using the word hand? 3, 2, 1.
Do you need a hand with that?
Yes, need a hand with that. You are on fire. Question 6. You are tired at 10 p.m. and want to go to bed. What cool phrase can you use instead of "I'm going to sleep"? 3, 2, 1.
I think I'm going to call it a night.
Wow, look at you using advanced expressions. Final question. Question 7. You're planning a meeting on Saturday. How do you ask what time is good for your friend? 3, 2, 1.
What time works best for you?
You absolute legend. You did it. That was a fast practice drill and you smashed it.
That was so much fun. You all did a truly amazing job today.
Now, let's bring it all together with our power summary. Sarah is going to list all 7 phrases we learned today. Listen carefully one more time.
Phrase number 1. Did you sleep well?
Perfect for mornings.
Phrase number 2. Do you want to grab some lunch?
Great for quick afternoon breaks.
Phrase number 3. Excuse me, where is the nearest station?
Super useful when traveling.
Phrase number 4. Could you please say that again a bit slower?
Your secret weapon for fast speakers.
Phrase number 5. Do you need a hand with that?
A warm way to offer help.
Phrase number 6. I think I'm going to call it a night.
Stylish way to say goodnight or finish work.
And phrase number 7. What time works best for you?
The best phrase for making weekend plans.
Look at how much you learned in just a short lesson. You should be so proud of yourself. Learning a language takes patience and steps every single day, but you're doing it.
That's right. Every single day you practice, you get one step closer to complete fluency. You've got this.
And now it is time for our question of the day. We want to hear from you.
Here is your question. What time do you usually wake up in the morning, and what is the first thing you do?
Yes, write your answer in simple English in the comments below. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. and I drink coffee. We read every single comment and reply to as many as we can.
It's such great practice. Type your comment right now before you forget.
Thank you so much for watching and practicing with us today. You are doing fantastic. Keep going.
You are amazing. Keep practicing, stay positive, and we'll see you in the very next lesson.
Bye-bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.
See you next time. Keep speaking.